Hey guys, what's going on? Jacob Allen here. Please excuse the really bright lighting behind me, but as you know, I have no curtains. And the sun's like really bright right now, so I'm gonna do it like that, I guess. Alright, anyways, here's Jason Aldean's big green tractor for you. She had a shiny little beamer with the rack top down, sitting in the drive, but she wouldn't get out. The dogs were all barking and wagging around. And I just laughed and said, y'all get in. She had on a new dress and she curled her hair. She was looking too good not to go somewhere. Said, what you wanna do, baby, I don't care. We can go to the show, we can stay right here and take you for a ride on my big tractor. We can go slow or make it go faster. Down through the woods and out to the pasture. As long as I'm with you, it really don't matter. Climb up in my lap and drive if you want to. Girl, you know you got me to hold on to. We can go to town. Well, baby, if you'd rather, I'll take you for a ride on my big green tractor. Said we can fire it up and I can show you around. Sit up on the hill and watch the sun go down. When the fireflies are dancing and the moon comes out, we can turn on the lights and then back to the house and we can take another ride. My big green tractor, we can go slow or make it go faster down through the woods until the pasture. As long as I'm with you, it really don't matter. Climb up in my lap, drive if you want to. Girl, you know you got me to hold on to. We can go to town, well, baby, if you'd rather, take you for a ride on my big tractor. Just let me dust off the sea. Ooh, put your pretty little arms around me. Here we go. Mm. And you can climb up in my lap and drive if you want to. Girl, you know you got me to hold on to. We can go to town. Baby, if you'd rather, I'll take you for a ride on my big green tractor. Whoa, yeah, yeah, yeah. We can go to town. We can go another ride, yeah. On my big green tractor. Oh yeah. Alright, thank you guys very much. And I can already tell. I can already tell by how that went that some of y'all are gonna be giving out rude comments. Just please, at least keep it respectful, okay? Because believe it or not, I kid you not about this. Believe it or not, one person, it was on my cover of Why Haven't I Heard From You by Reba McEntire. Actually, let me pull up the comment real quick. Let's see. Okay, the comment says, this was so bad I think it gave me cancer. Yeah. So, yeah. And it was by Video Junkie. So, yeah. So please keep your comments respectful, okay? Alright. Okay, as always, if there's a song you like to hear, please leave it in the comments below, or PM it to me, or whatever. And I'll see you guys next time.